It's okay. So now it's Turkish you and Saudi and Pakistan. They call me, they say patriotic citizen of Nigeria. I say yes. They say, do you know what? I say what? They say, I've officially signed a mutual defense alliance. I say, eh. They said an attack on one will be considered an attack on all trees. What this mean? Pe, um like if you have a war with maybe Saudi Arabia or Turkey or Pakistan, any one of them, if you have a attack on them, three of them they will come for you and they will chop you and they will eat you harder. That's what they mean. So don't go there o, don't go there o. That is what Turkish, Saudi and Pakistan sign. That is the agreement they sign. So don't bother to cross your lane ire o.